add Mickey to the list of creators trying to get a piece of your dwindling attention span as Disney Plus is going all out on the vertical streaming. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Ever since TikTok became a huge success, companies have been falling over themselves to add vertical video to their apps, and Disney Plus is just a latest contender to get your attention in this way. Disney announced that the Disney Plus app will now feature Verts, which are vertical videos that are from a dynamic feed of content from various content that populates the platform. If one piques your curiosity, then you'll be able to quickly jump and watch the show or the movie. In a blog post announcing this feature, Disney said, with a tap of the new Verts icon in the navigation bar on mobile, users enter a vertical video feed and can swipe through a stream of scenes and moments from movies and shows on Disney Plus, and seamlessly add to their watch list or jump directly into playback. Disney first experimented with Verts on the ESPN app last year, which Disney says has driven additional engagement. The company later teased that vertical video will be coming to Disney Plus at its Global Tech and Data Showcase in January. At first, Disney says Verts in the Disney Plus app are focused on discoverability, featuring clips from its catalog of shows and movies. Going forward, the company says it plans to experiment with content from creators that reflects our fandoms, plus other storytelling formats, content types, and personalized experiences. So if you're a Disney fan, maybe it's your time to shine there. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.